SimpliSafe and Cove, two DIY security giants, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, SimpliSafe, packed with features and flexible monitoring. On the right, Cove, easy, affordable, and focused on friendly service. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. At the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Okay, before we get ahead of ourselves, here's a quick mind map of everything we're going to cover today. We've got initial and monthly costs, equipment and features, installation and setup, customer service, monitoring options, smart home integration, and warranty and policies. So yeah, we're going pretty deep to really tell these two apart. Starting off with costs. SimpliSafe, right out of the gate, it doesn't lock you into a contract, which is actually pretty nice. And if you're the DIY type, you can monitor totally free, which honestly is a huge plus for anyone who wants control. But on the, let's say, less exciting side, that upfront cost is a bit of a doozy. Like, it's over $400 just to get started. And pro monitoring is almost $30 a month. Not exactly pocket change. Now, Cove, this is where it gets interesting. The starter kits? Way cheaper. We're talking under $300 most days. And monitoring starts from a more wallet-friendly point, like $20 a month. Plus, they run discounts all the time. The caveat? You'll need a paid plan if you want full control from your phone. So it's pretty clear, Cove definitely wins the cost battle here. Let's move on to gear and features. SimpliSafe brings out all the big guns. More camera choices, smart locks for that bougie front door, and the temperature sensor, so you won't freeze out. Oh, and here's something cool. The Active Guard video verification for alarms. So it's not just some beeping sound, it's actual video. Downside? No solar camera options, and yeah, be prepared for a few items to be pricier. Now, Cove is kind of impressive too, honestly. Starter kit's loaded, comes packed with different sensors, even water leak detection, which is just clever. They do offer a solar outdoor camera, which is nice if you hate charging stuff. Oh, and the smoke and CO detector is all in one, which is space-saving. But on the flip side, Cove's not super friendly with smart home gadgets. Like, integrations are pretty limited, and the cameras only work if you pay for their plan. Overall, SimpliSafe snags this round with more robust features. Next up, installation and setup. SimpliSafe is all about DIY. Everything's pre-programmed. Seriously, you don't need a PhD to set it up. Want someone else to do it? They have Pro Install too. Downside? If you're not comfy around tech, it can be a bit daunting. Now Cove is, that's one word, easy. DIY build is super zippy, no contracts to read, and policies are straightforward. But their third-party support, kinda limited. So, it's honestly a tie. Neither system is going to stress you out much. Oh, and here's something you might not know. Cove actually gives lifetime warranty on equipment if you grab their premium plan. On the flip side, SimpliSafe lets you skip the subscription and monitor your system entirely free. That kind of flexibility? Not super common in home security. All right, customer service. SimpliSafe has a big network, sure, but reviews? They're sort of all over the place. Some love it, some really, really don't. Cove, on the other hand, gets massive props here. People rave about their support staff. Plus, Cove does this thing called Cove credits, so if you stay loyal, you get rewards. It's not the biggest brand out there, but wow, people seem happy. Winner? That's Cove, hands down. Now, let's talk monitoring options. SimpliSafe gives you tons of flexibility. Go it alone with self-monitoring or choose pro monitoring. And the monitoring centers, they're rapid response. Plus, you get video verification with audio for extra peace of mind. Downside? That pro monitoring, again, gets pricey. Cove, meanwhile, has fast emergency response with rapid SOS and no contracts. Pretty sweet, but here's the catch. If you try to bail on paying, the equipment basically turns into a brick. No self-monitoring here, which is a bummer for DIY enthusiasts. SimpliSafe's flexibility wins this round. Smart home integration, where the tech nerds perk up. SimpliSafe works with Alexa and Google, and you get app controls on every plan. Not bad, right? The only thing missing, really, is Apple HomeKit support. Cove, meanwhile, is, more basic. Mobile alerts work, but home automation stuff is kind of an afterthought, and smartphone controls only show up on the premium plan. SimpliSafe takes the win here with more integrations. Warranty and policies? Yep, The fine print, SimpliSafe gives you a standard 3-year warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is honestly more generous than most. No lifetime warranty, though. Keep that in mind. Cove totally one-ups them if you go for their Plus plan. You get a lifetime warranty. Refund policies are generous, but if you stick with just the basic plan, the warranty's only for a year. You know what? I'm calling this a tie. You've got options either way. All right, so we've covered a ton, right? Here's a radar chart mapping out exactly how SimpliSafe and Cove stack up across all these categories. You can really see where each one shines and where they kind of lag behind. So if you're after a souped-up system with all the tech bells and whistles, plus the freedom to choose your own monitoring plan, SimpliSafe is probably the one for you. But if you want to keep things simple, save some cash, and honestly have awesome customer support at your fingertips, Cove nails those essentials. Still feeling kind of stuck? No worries. Hit follow for more updates on smart home tech. We'll help you sort through all the options.